Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Time with Vasu. Today we are going to learn noun. What is noun? Noun is a naming word of what? Of person, place, animal and things. What is all around us that has one name, that's called noun. Types of noun: common noun and proper noun. Common noun is common name of person, places, animals and things. And what is proper noun? Proper noun is a special name of person, places, animals and things. Now we are going to learn common noun of persons like teacher, mother, girl and doctor. Here we are not talking about a specific name like Rita and other names. So, these are common noun of persons. Now, common noun of places like city, zoo, hospital and classroom. Here we are not talking about specific city, zoo, hospital or classroom. So, that's why it is common noun of places. Now, common noun of animals like lion, cow, elephant and horse. Here we are not talking about specific lion, cow, elephant, horse and other animals. So, they are common noun of animals. Now, common noun of things like mug, school bag, television and table. Here we are not talking about specific blue mug, then blue school bag, then a brown table and Sony television. So they are common noun of things. A proper noun, it's a special name given to any person, place, animal and thing. And proper noun always starts with a capital letter. If it's in the starting of a sentence, in the middle of a sentence or in the ending of a sentence, it always starts with a capital letter. Please remember this thing. Now let's learn proper noun of persons. Like Raj is my friend. We are talking about a specific friend, Raj. So Raj is a proper noun. Second, Mary is my teacher. We are talking about a specific teacher, Mary. So Raj and Mary are proper noun of person. Now we are going to learn proper noun of animals. Like my dog's name is Pluto. So Pluto is a specific name of a dog. Second, Anna the elephant is angry. We are talking about a specific elephant, Anna. So Anna and Pluto are proper noun of animal. Now we are going to learn proper noun of places. Like they live in Mumbai. Mumbai is a specific name of a city. Second, we visit Red Fort. Red Fort is a specific name of a fort. So Mumbai and Red Fort are specific name of places. Now we are going to learn proper noun of things. I have Samsung mobile. We are talking about a specific mobile, Samsung mobile. So Samsung mobile is a proper noun of thing. Next, I like MRF bat. Here we are talking about a specific bat, MRF bat. So MRF bat and Samsung mobile are proper noun of thing. And remember this thing, proper noun also includes name of holidays like Diwali, Holi, Christmas, then days of weeks like Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, months of years, December, January, September, June, and more. Name of buildings, countries like America, Japan, India, and hills, mountains like Mount Everest, and ocean like Pacific Ocean, and rivers like Nile, Ganga, and Yamuna. So these all are also proper nouns. Now it's exercise time. Here some nouns are given and one table is given. So we have to pick one noun and put it in the proper column like proper noun and common noun. Let's do this exercise. The first one is Raj. Raj is a proper noun or common noun? Yes, it's proper noun. So we have to put it in the proper noun column because Raj is a specific name of a boy. Then teacher. Teacher is a common noun or proper noun? Yes, you are right. It's common noun because we are not talking about a specific teacher. Then pizza, yum yummy pizza. So it's a common noun or proper noun? Yes, it's common noun because we are not talking about a specific pizza. Then dog. Dog is a common noun or proper noun? Yes, you are right. It's common noun because we are not saying a specific dog's name. Then Gandhiji. Gandhiji is a proper noun or common noun? Yes, you get it right. It's in the proper noun column because it's a specific name of a person. Then singer. Singer is a common noun or proper noun? Yes, you get it right. It's in the common noun column because we are not talking about a specific singer. Then Japan. Japan is a country. So it's a proper noun or a common noun? Yes, you get it right. It's in the proper noun column. Then Mount Everest, a big hill. So it's in the proper noun or common noun column? Yes, you get it right. It's in the proper noun column. Then pen. Pen is in the common noun column or proper noun column? Yes, you get it right. It's in the common noun column. And December. December is in proper noun column or common noun column? It's a month of a year. Yes, you get it right. It's in the proper noun column. Clap for yourself because we have done this exercise successfully. Yay! If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like and and share my videos to your friends and family so they can also learn with me. Bye